Welcome back to my channel, everybody. This is naturallykenken and I'm here with another video. In today's video I'll be working with the brand CranberryHair. I have a 4x4 28-inch deep wave closure wig, and y'all, this wig is gorgeous. I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this video because the focal point of the video is going to be primarily on styling the wig and doing the viral claw clip style. So y'all seen me do several tutorials on my channel on how to do a deep wave wig, so keep watching and you'll see. Okay guys, this is the portion of the video where we get ready to do the style. So once you get a perfect part down the middle of your head, you're going to take about an inch, a little bit more than an inch of parting space on the sides, because these are the parts that we're going to slick down for the like swoop, not swoop, but like bang effect, if you get what I'm saying. It's hard for me to explain, but like really pay attention to what I'm doing, because me explaining it is not really doing justice. I don't think so. But you watching and seeing how I'm slicking everything down, that's really gonna be the focal point. So pay attention, y'all. Just pay attention. So really, as y'all can see, it's kind of like you slicking down your hair to get a perfect like middle part or side part. You really just take the hair, part it, slick it down so it lays down flat, and I'm going in with a little bit of even spray to get it as slick as possible so it, you know, little hairs don't pop up. And it was easy peasy, guys. This hair was super duper easy to work with and lay down. The only thing you really need is a hot comb and a wax stick and some hairspray to get it to lay down. That's pretty much it. Once you sleek the hair down enough to your liking, we're going to take the hair in the back and put it in a really tight ponytail. Not too tight to the point you're going to give yourself a headache, but tight enough. And guys, I've been doing my edges a little bit differently. I just been taking a little bit of Got2b gel and putting it at the top part of my edges, not all the way because you don't want it to be too crunchy, just at the top part, and sleek my edges down so it can give it a more secure hold. You can still use mousse, it's really up to you, but I just choose to use Got2b gel just to keep them down for longer. But yeah, after I get the edges out the way, I'm pretty much gonna pull my hair up into a ponytail. And don't worry about tracks showing too much, because honestly, the way the hair is set up is gonna cover the tracks in the hair. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. But right now, your girl is just laying down her edges. So for the past 7 minutes of this video, I've literally just been sleeking, using my hot comb, using my wax stick to get it as smooth as possible so everything lays down. That's really the key to getting this style to look like how it looks on social media. Just slick your hair down, guys. So we're gonna put it into another ponytail. You wanna put it sort of in the middle of your head, because when we pull it up, you don't want it to be too high to the point it looks weird. I mean, some people do it like that and it's cute, but we're not going for that today. So as you can see, I'm taking my hand at the base of my head and I'm just gonna put my claw clamp it on, and that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to play with it, kind of center it where I want it to lay. And I would like to thank Cranberry Hair Company for sponsoring this video. This hair was gorgeous, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.